Oh yeah. Yeah, boy.
Around by the swamp, like heaps of I'll jump on that side, mate. You jump on that side.
Party bar. Wicked. We're going to tow this bad boy out of here. Yeah. walking away. We're leaving the beach here at Matete. We have been unable to locate any form of payment for the machine that will give us gas. Okay, so we can't locate anyone to bring us cash, so we're taking a couple of colders for the walk. We're going to leave our boat here for a wee while and go walk up to Onuroa. How sexy is our craft? Hey, over there in the bay. Look at it. Sheets of plywood and all. Well, here we are. New Year's Day. Happy New Year's 2019. Good on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got it sitting just down here in Onuroa Beach on the hard. Gonna rig it up tomorrow. Didn't quite get there last year. It's all good. 2019's gonna be her year, mate. So we might go pick up some more fronds. Give it a little bit of decorative feel. But yeah, she runs. Got the motor in her. It's going good. It's a bit buried right now, but that's okay. It's hanging in there. She sinks a little bit into the old sand, but that's a good height there, that bar. Quite like that. Yep. Yep. It's not quite level. We're going to have to do some levelling. But, you know, holds a coldie. It's a good height. Don't mind standing around this bar. Now we've got to pop that space there into some functionality, eh?
Functionality, alright. Boys, look at that. I haven't stood here like this and actually just gone, she's a beauty.
She's a beauty. Cheers, Glenn.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Well done, bro. Well done.
Woo!
Rejoice.
Thought we might need a few more of these Phoenix palm fronds. You know, not quite enough, you know. We've really got to put this beach bar out, eh, right? Y'all people want shade, y'all. It's probably darker, you can't even see this, eh, but it's going on. We're working
got a
in the
pretty
dark,
full
y'all.
load here, eh?
Everything from speakers to shears to black plastic, saber saws, all sorts of stuff, eh, sweetie? Anchors, generators, and then we get to the roof, it's bloody loaded down. Main Street, Austin, sorry. All good, eh? Fun times. So here we are, what are we talking? Is it January the 2nd?
January the 2nd, yeah.
Oh, January the 2nd, and look at that. The wee bar here. We've brought some more fronds down. Nice load.
Nice load, yeah.
Yep. She's sitting pretty. Got a nice low tide. Got a full load in the car. Might pop it all in there and take it for a little joyride, eh? Yeah, what are you doing here?
Just making it look extra dunnage into art.
Oh wow, look at Clint's rope work.
The old dunnage.
That's how you turn recycled timber into something.
No
Kind of
landfill
shabby
round here,
chic,
bruh.
a little bit rustic. Yeah.
A little bit rustic and dready. This is the dread look.
Oh, beachy.
So much better than throwing dunnage.
Beachy.
I talked to her one day about rubbish, and I was working for Brian, and I realised, you girls are onto it, you know. I don't know.
And then, mate, we need a little bench for that barbecue. What a beautiful bench, Clint.
Okay, one more screw and we'll have something for the barbie. Oh, no fun.
No love.
Find any love there?
No, doesn't feel anything.
Similar feeling to throwing things into the landfill.
Yeah.
No love in that either, bro.
All of this that we've just attached is recycled. 4 found penny screws, 1 bit of ply off an old drama department that's getting misused. And hey, we're still recycling, reusing. Make it pay, God. Power. We got power.
Write this down, my friend.
You hauling the speaker up, love? Yeah. Mass. I've seen this kind of action on, I think it was an Optimus Grime.
First measurement.
It was the Aotearoa Double All Stars. Yes, there was someone hauling. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hi. Yeah, man, it's a nice little. Got a floor. We just loaded these prawns on the bow because we're gonna have to stand up on the side to get them loaded. Oh, we might have to come up with a bit of lashing, but we're real close to float, as you can see. So we're pressing time now, trying to get this plywood out of here before the tide comes in, swamps our car and all that stuff. Oh dear, pretty near floating. There's a little rock, a few laps. I'm just splaying out a few of these, just getting them a bit more, less of a mohawk, more of a side shade, shall we say? What do you reckon? Is it starting to look the part? Like, is that how we're going to roll it? Do you want me to jump down?